So every morning people
Yeah,
come here,
oh my God.
come here to feed the birds.
Listen food.
Feed the birds.
Morning, sir. Good
All
morning.
the seed.
Just a little.
All the seed. People trying to feed the birds. So those are birds here. Everybody in the morning come here, feed all these birds. So all the birds come here, gather together. They enjoy your breakfast. There you go. And there's stupa. So many birds. So many birds on the stupa as well, just covered on the stupa. And also people come here. It's a type of offering, ascension beings. So there are people come here, buy, purchase seeds.